Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio, welcome to this new series of daily videos to level up your power moves. I will upload one video per day from December 1st until December 24th. In each video I'm gonna show you some exercises or a little combo to improve your power move. We're gonna start easy in the first episodes so you can still follow them if you are a beginner as well, and we are gonna increase the level step by step. The goal of this 24 video program is to improve your power move control and create new combos and opportunities with the power moves you have. Beside this program, I'm also gonna post daily on Patreon from December 1st to December 24th. In my daily Patreon videos, I'm gonna focus on how to be more creative with the power moves you have and with the combos that I'm teaching in these tutorials. So make sure to join my Patreon, link in the description, and let's start! In this video, let's see how to do a slow motion windmill. If you followed the previous tutorials, you should already know that you can split each move in different freezes or positions. You should really master these positions and the transitions between these positions, then start practicing the movement slowly and then make it faster and smoother with time. You can apply this concept for each move. There is only one exception. The exception is you cannot apply this concept for the moves that has positions that you cannot hold. For example, in my case, it's the head swipe. My back is very unflexible. I cannot hold a head bridge. So for me, it's very challenging and hard to do a head swipe by stopping in the head bridge position. So for me, the only way to do a head swipe is doing it fast and with momentum, with power. Let's say that you are practicing air flares and you cannot do pike freezes. In this case, you also have to do the air flare pretty fast because you are not able to turn your body slowly to reach the pike freeze position and then to bounce up. But you should directly swing from the handstand to the other handstand. Improving your flexibility, in my case, my back flexibility for the head swipe. In your case, it could be the pike freeze, so your shoulder flexibility or your legs flexibility for the pike freeze for the air flare will really make the moves way easier. In my case, the head swipe is not my priority, so I don't practice the head bridge so much. But if I want to use the head swipe more in my combos, I would practice it more. So I would be able to learn the head swipe slowly to gain more control and to be able to add more variations in the head swipe. Why am I telling you all of this? I'm telling you all of this to really make you understand that mastering each position of the moves is very crucial to improve your control over the move. So let's talk about the windmill now, because this is a windmill tutorial. Don't start practicing the windmill if you cannot hold a taro freeze, a side freeze, a shoulder freeze on the right, a shoulder freeze on the left properly. You should really know all the steps, all the positions in the windmill before even attempting the windmill. Really try to understand how the movement works. So this was the theory, but let's practice it. To really master a slow motion windmill, you have to master all the freezes. Starting from the taro freeze, this freeze here. For the taro freeze, we want to turn to the side freeze, as usual. And then from here, push to our right shoulder. To push on the right shoulder, you have to move your arms in this way and lean here on the shoulder. So doing this. Your legs have to move up a little bit. Don't stay with your legs stiff and don't let your legs fall, but try to push them up in this direction a little bit. So the legs are pushing a little bit in this way and the arms are doing this at the same time. So it should look like this. From here, swing your legs a little bit in a clockwise circle. So your right leg is kicking here and your left leg is doing this. And lean on the back. So from this perspective, shoulder freeze, swing your legs and head on the floor and hips up in the air. If you can open your legs more, even better. Taro freeze, side freeze, push and swing. From the back, we want to push to the left shoulder freeze. I'm going to show you from here, rolling and then pushing. So roll, push, and reach a left shoulder freeze. Again, roll, push, and reach a left shoulder freeze. From the left shoulder, it's where it gets a little bit tricky. First, you can practice with one foot on the floor. If you spin clockwise like me, place the left foot on the floor in this way, and then get down with your belly and lean on the right elbow. At the same time, try to turn your head to the opposite direction, like this, and place your left hand on the floor. Show you from here, left shoulder freeze, lean on the elbow, turn and place this hand here. Practice this movement with one foot on the floor a lot of times until it feels very comfortable. When you feel a little bit more comfortable doing it, try to turn your head and lean on your elbow at the same time. So don't do 1 and 2, but do only one movement. So 1. Then try to do the same but with both legs up in the air. So same thing, start here, try to lean on the tarot freeze and turn. Lean on the tarot freeze and turn. As you can see, when I lean on tarot freeze, I bend my legs a little bit backwards, because if I don't, they can fall on the floor. If I keep my legs just stiff and straight like this, and I turn, it goes like that. So instead, when I reach, I want to bend my legs here, so they don't do this, but they do this. And I can reach the tarot freeze without touching with my feet on the floor. One more time, pay attention to both of my legs. They are straight, and then I bend. I show you from this perspective as well. Shoulder freeze, legs straight, and bend. So basically you can see a windmill as a freezes combination. If you learn this freezes combination, you can do your first round of slow motion windmill. Let's do it again, slowly. Tarot freeze, side freeze, shoulder, turn on your back, push up and roll, and tarot freeze again. Once you master all these positions and the transitions between the positions, try to add a little bit of momentum, not too much, because this is a slow motion windmill, so you don't want to do it fast, but you just want to do it smooth, so you don't stop. So move all the time, but slow. Don't stop like this, but move continuously, but slowly. If you have to stop in some parts, you can stop, but then with time and practice, it will get smoother. Let's try it. If you do only slow motions windmill like this, it doesn't look so cool. Maybe it's better doing windmills very fast, it looks way cooler. But it could be very cool if you play with the speeds. So for example, you do windmill very fast, then you do it slow and then fast again. Or for example, you do one round of flare or air flare fast, you go to windmill, you slow down, and then you go back to flares very fast again. You can apply the same concepts for all the moves if you really master all the positions in the power move you have. To get more creative with this combo and with your power moves, join my Patreon, link in the description. As I said in the beginning, we are going to increase the level step by step. If you want to follow this program and try these combos, maybe you can try to post your videos and tag me on my Instagram at Kaio, so I can check your progress about these combos and exercises, and I will share your posts on my Instagram story. Doesn't matter if you do it fast, you can do it slowly. See you tomorrow with a new combo and new exercises. Yo ninjas!